In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. If you don't remember any password from your Google Password autofill, don't worry, you are not an only one. But here's how to quickly check it. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and this time click on Autofill with Google. Tap on Google Password Manager. And to check any password, click on it and enter your screen lock. Then use this eye icon right next to your password to make it visible. Or quick tip, if your password is way too long to check it like that, click Edit and check it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!